Our next tip is past exam papers. The 2026 paper, it's not different from the papers that came before it because there's a standard that has to be maintained in the setting of exams. So what you want to do is you don't want to go haphazardly into past exam papers. You want to study the content first. So you're going to listen to your teacher. You go through the lessons. You do your own study on your timetable. You also come onto YouTube just to add some visual learning for you from your YouTube lessons. And then from there, you want to do question by question analysis, which means you're going to take 5 papers, the last 5 papers, then you're going to be taking a question from each of those papers, the same question, you do it one after the other, you master one concept, one question at a time before you move to the next one. Because if you go at the whole exam at once, this may become very discouraging. So make sure you do it question by question.